Let's get some street food and get stared at by a lot of people. Yes, I have been stared at a lot, and I'm still being stared at a lot. We're getting back on the capybara mobile, literally because I'm getting stared at too much here, and it's just kind of annoying. So we're going to go to a quieter area for some street food. We just tried a second street food place, but we had to leave because, yeah, it smelled too much. They have this thing called stinky tofu here, and it is just what it says on the tin. It's just horribly smelly. Totally unsuccessful street food expedition. So we're heading down to the local area. It's about 10:30 at night right now, so hopefully there'll be a couple of things still open, and hopefully I can get something in peace. We're probably just going to take it home because it's local. So people beep a lot around here, like a lot. Even the local spot had nothing going on. So it's been a total failure. We're just going to order something online. We just had to, come through the blast doors here so we can charge a bike in this underground parking lot slash wartime bunker. So as you can see here, you get like these, I guess, what does it say? Wartime secondary entrance, airtight passage. So these underground parking lots double as, I guess, bunkers if there's ever a war or something like that. And they're in most new communities.
So good.